Okay guys, so today I'm going to do brown stewed chicken foot. As you can see here, I washed it already with some lime and vinegar, and I removed the nails off the feet, the toenails, and it's already washed. Right now I'm just gonna put some of this olive oil on top. Then I season it. I'm gonna add a little browning. I'm gonna add some salt. You put as much to your liking. Some black pepper. And I'm gonna add some paprika. So the paprika is added to it. And I'm gonna go in with some chicken seasoning. You can put the seasoning of your preference on it. So some chicken seasoning. So this is the chicken seasoning I'm using here, the Irish chicken seasoning. And some Irish all-purpose seasoning. And I'm gonna mix it around. So this is the all-purpose. And you can add your scallion, Jamaican scallion. I'm gonna add some onions and spices. People do it after they can dance, and I'd like to just do that and separate it. Yes, and some people could do it with burnt brown sugar, or you could add more browning to it to your liking. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to pour some olive oil here. The pot was already on the fire. I'm gonna put the amount to my liking. And I'm gonna brown the chicken feet. Okay, so I think this is enough. You can use whatever oil that you want. So as you can see here, guys, it's getting brown. Like, I like my stuff well done. Everybody could do it the way they want. I like to fry it. Then I'm gonna cook it down with all the pepper, the bell peppers. You can add carrots and some Irish potato and all that. Okay, so this is how it looks. And okay guys, so I'm having it's frying here right now, and then I'm gonna cover it for the next like 5 to 8 minutes, let it fry properly. Then I'm gonna go in with some hot water and let it simmer for 10 minutes. I'm just gonna pour a little water to cook it down. And then I'm gonna come back with my seasoning and potato and stuff. So this is what I'm doing. We'll come back to that. Here guys, it's cooking down as you can see. So I'm gonna go in shortly and you can taste it and taste it. It's salty after you add your hot water to make it cook down, because right now that's what it's doing, it's cooking down. Yeah, that's not too hard. The bones are not, because it's basically bones, right? Cook to your liking. And then I'm gonna add my vegetables. If you want, you could put small dumplings. They call them spinners, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Okay, so this is it, guys. It's cooking down. I'm gonna add some bell peppers, potatoes, my Scotch bonnet pepper, and then have it cooked down. It looks good. I'm gonna add a little tip more water. That's it. And that's some thyme. So you have potato, carrots, thyme, pepper, or whatever else you would like to put in there. And I'm gonna let it cook for at least 20 to half an hour. Looks good. So guys, so this is my finished product of the brown stew chicken foot, and I'm gonna show you with some rice and stuff. Yes guys, so this is my final product of my brown stew chicken foot. I have there some tomato sliced, cucumbers, and some carrot. So enjoy. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like and share. Subscribe if you're not, and leave a comment below.